Tired of spending hours on your hair every morning, only to end up with a mediocre hairstyle? Well, you're in luck, my friend. These quick and easy everyday hairstyle ideas will have you looking fabulous in no time. So pretty, right? You're ready to rock this new hairstyle by just flipping the hair section inside out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Next, get your hair looking lovely with the claw clip trick. Simply fabulous. Here's the perfect hairstyle for when you're rocking your favorite cap. These fun and fabulous options are perfect for any occasion. So ditch the boring ponytail and try something new today. Love this one. The last one, it's the cherry on top.